Do you often experience joint pain, limited mobility, or discomfort that affects your daily life? With the advancement of regenerative medicine, PRP, Platelet-Rich Plasma Therapy opens a new path to natural healing and recovery. PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, is a treatment that uses the patient's own blood to extract a concentrated amount of platelets. These platelets contain abundant growth factors and cytokines, which activate the body's repair mechanisms, promote tissue regeneration, and reduce inflammation and pain. Clinically, PRP is widely used to treat degenerative joint conditions, sports injuries, tendinitis, and ligament strains, helping to shorten recovery time and restore mobility. It is also commonly applied in aesthetic medicine to improve skin texture, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and restore elasticity and radiance. At Avita Clinic, we provide a complete and professionally guided PRP treatment process. Avita's trained nurses draw approximately 10 to 30 milliliters of blood from the patient. Using our proprietary centrifugation technology, we isolate high-performance platelet-rich plasma, ensuring optimal purity and biological activity. Under sterile conditions, Avita's medical specialists inject the PRP directly into the joint or damaged tissue to initiate the regenerative process. We recommend combining the treatment with ILIB red light therapy, which stimulates circulation and modulates the immune response, enhancing overall results. At the same time, for nutrient therapy delivers vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support systemic recovery and cellular metabolism. Injections are administered every 2 weeks, with a full treatment cycle lasting approximately 2 months. PRP therapy is derived from your own blood, offering high safety, minimal risk of side effects, and natural healing potential. It's a gentle yet effective way to awaken your body's regenerative power and help you regain mobility, comfort, and quality of life.